myself Pratiksha. As you can see the robot next to me. Can you guess what it is made up of? It is made up of several types of quadrilaterals. So, as you can see, the square, rectangle, trapezium, parallelogram, kite, and many quadrilaterals in them. And so, let's learn about these quadrilaterals more in next chapter. Quadrilaterals, as the word refers, square means 4 and lateral means side. It is a plain geometrical figure in which it has the 4 vertices and 4 edges. As you can see, the quadrilateral, here A, B, C, D are the points of the quadrilaterals, and the line segment AB and BC, CD and DA are the sides of the quadrilateral, and angle ABC, angle BCD and angle DCDA are the angles of the quadrilateral, and the line segment AC and BD form the diagonals of the quadrilateral. Now let us learn about the properties of the quadrilateral. The first property is adjacent sides of the quadrilateral. In this, it explains about the two sides of the quadrilateral which have the common endpoint, such as AB and BC are one pair, and BC and CD are another pair, and DA and AB are another pair. Totally, there are 4 pairs of adjacent angles in this quadrilateral. So the second explains about the opposite sides of quadrilateral. In this, it tells about the two sides of the quadrilateral which doesn't have an endpoint. It is called as opposite sides of quadrilateral. Here, it comes of AB and DC are opposite to each other, and AB and BC are opposite to each other. So here there are 2 pairs of opposite sides in this third, that is adjacent angles of quadrilaterals. Here, it tells about 2 angles which should have a common arm. Here it is angle A and angle B are one pair, angle B and angle C are another pair, angle C and angle D are another pair, and angle D and angle A are another pair. So there are totally 4 pairs of adjacent angles in this quadrilateral. So the fourth one, opposite angles of quadrilaterals. In this, it tells about that the angle must be an adjacent angle. So here, angle A and angle C are opposite to each other, and angle B and angle D are opposite to each other. So totally there are 2 pairs of opposite angles in this quadrilateral. So the last, not but the least, it is angle sum property. It tells us that every angle in quadrilateral, every angle should end up with the 360 degrees. Let's learn about the types of quadrilateral. The first, that is rectangle. In rectangle, 2 pairs of opposite sides are always equal to each other and they are parallel to each other. And all the sides are of 90 degrees and the diagonals bisect each other. So the second, that is square. In square, the 2 pairs of opposite angles are always parallel and all the sides of the square are equal to each other, and all the sides are also measured 90 degrees and the diagonals bisect each other at right angle. So the third, that is parallelogram. In parallelogram, the sides are equal to each other and 2 pairs of sides are equal to each other and the diagonals bisect each other. So the fourth one, rhombus. In rhombus, all the sides are equal to each other and opposite sides are parallel, and opposite angles are also equal in the rhombus and diagonals bisect each other at 90 degrees. Trapezium, the opposite pair of sides are always parallel to each other, and the last, the kite. In the kite, the adjacent angles are always equal and the opposite angles are also equal. They bisect each other at the right angle, and the longest bisect the smallest diagonal and divide into 2 parts. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Neela of grade 8A from Akshata Public School, Vijaypur. Today I am here to present an interesting topic of geometry, that is special types of quadrilaterals. So let's briefly learn about quadrilaterals. A figure formed by 4 line segments is called a quadrilateral. The 4 points in the given image ABCD are called its vertices. The 4 line segments AB, BC, CD and DE are called its sides. Angle DAB, angle ABC, angle BCD and angle CDA are called its angles, which are represented by angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D respectively. Are parallelogram, rectangle, rhombus, square, trapezoid and kite. So our first shape is parallelogram. A quadrilateral is called a parallelogram if both pairs of its opposite sides are parallel. In the given figure, ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AD is parallel to BC. So ABCD is a parallelogram. Some examples of parallelogram which are used in our daily life are window, wood, roof of the building, eraser, and so on. So our next shape is rhombus. A parallelogram in which all four sides are equal is called a rhombus. In the given figure, ABCD is a rhombus in which AD is parallel to BC, AB is parallel to DC, and AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. Some examples of rhombus which are used in our daily life are wall hanging, keychain, and so on. Rectangle. A parallelogram in which each angle is a right angle is called a rectangle. In the given figure, ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AB is parallel to DC, AD is parallel to BC, and angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to angle D, which equals to 90 degree. So ABCD is a rectangle. Some examples of rectangle which are used in our daily life are blackboard, credit cards or ATM cards, bricks and door, and so on. So our next shape is square, which we all know. A parallelogram in which all sides are equal and each angle measures 90 degree is called a square. In the given figure, ABCD is a quadrilateral. CD is equal to DA, and angle A is equals to angle B is equals to angle C is equals to angle D which equals to 90 degree. So ABCD is a square. Some examples of square which are used in our daily life are Rubik's cube, chessboard, dice, and the gift box. Trapezium. A quadrilateral having exactly one pair of parallel sides are called trapezium. In the given figure, you can see TRPA is a quadrilateral in which TR is parallel to PA. So TRPA is a trapezium. Isosceles trapezium. A trapezium whose non-parallel sides are equal is called an isosceles trapezium. In the above figure, TRPA will be an isosceles trapezium if TR is parallel to PA and TP is equal to RA. Some examples of trapezium which are used in our daily life are building, window, popcorn box, table, and so on. So our last shape is kite. A quadrilateral is called a kite if it has two pairs of equal adjacent sides but unequal opposite sides. In the given figure, ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AB is equal to AD, BC is equal to DC, AD is not equal to BC, and AB is not equal to DC. So it is confirmed that ABCD is a kite. Some examples which are used in our daily life are kite, ring, earrings, and diamond. Thank you everyone.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Sakshi from grade 8A, here to explain you all about quadrilaterals. What is quadrilateral? The figure formed by four line segments is called a quadrilateral. Here is the image of quadrilateral which is formed by four line segments. There are special types of quadrilateral. They are trapezium, a trapezoid, rectangle, isosceles trapezoid or trapezium, square, rhombus, parallelogram, kite. First, parallelogram. Parallelogram, a quadrilateral is called a parallelogram if both pair of its opposite sides are equal. So in the image ABCD is a parallelogram. Rhombus. A parallelogram having all the sides equal is called rhombus. ABCD in which AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA, where all the sides are equal. Here the example is a rhombus having all sides of 8 cm. Rectangle. A parallelogram in which each angle is a right angle is called a rectangle. The examples that we use in our daily life is note of a money, chocolate bar, camera, door, envelope, and many more. Square. A parallelogram in which all the sides are equal and each angle measures 90 degree is called a square. The examples are watch, gift box, television, calculator, and etc. Trapezium at trapezoid. A quadrilateral having exactly one pair of parallel sides is called a trapezium. The figure ABCD is a trapezium. Isosceles trapezium. A trapezium whose non-parallel sides are equal is called an isosceles trapezium. The example is skate park. Kite. A quadrilateral is called a kite if it has two pairs of equal adjacent sides but unequal opposite sides. The example is kite, which we used to play. So now, let us have a quick revision on this topic. There are 7 types of quadrilaterals. They are parallelogram, rectangle, square, rhombus, trapezoid, isosceles trapezoid, and kite. So let me explain the brief. Parallelogram. Opposite sides equal in length, opposite sides are parallel, opposite angles are equal in measure. Now, rectangle. All angles have measure 90 degree, opposite sides are parallel, opposite sides are equal in length. Square. All sides have equal length, all angles have measure 90 degree, opposite sides are parallel. Rhombus. Opposite sides are parallel, opposite angles are equal in measure, all sides have equal length, diagonal, intersect at right angles. Now, trapezoid or trapezium has one pair of opposite parallel sides, has one pair of opposite sides that are not parallel. Isosceles trapezoid or isosceles trapezium has one pair of parallel sides. Pair of non-parallel sides are equal in length. Diagonals are equal in length. Now, kite. Kite is a quadrilateral that has two pairs of consecutive congruent sides, but opposite sides are not congruent. Thank you everyone.